Here's a physics puzzle that sounds impossible. You're standing in open space with nothing but a stopwatch. No fancy equipment, no laboratory, just you, a stopwatch, and a wall. Can you measure the speed of sound? Pause and think before we reveal the trick. Let's set up the experiment. Stand a known distance d from a large wall. A cliff or a building works perfectly. We'll use d equals 100 meters. The goal: measure how fast sound travels through air, roughly 343 meters per second. The only tool allowed is a stopwatch. Here's the clever trick. Make a sharp, loud sound, a clap or a starting pistol. The sound travels to the wall and bounces back as an echo. You hear the echo after time t. In that time, sound covered the distance to the wall and back, a total of 2d. So the speed equals 2d divided by t. Watch what happens at the wave level. When you clap, you create a pressure pulse, a compression wave that radiates outward. It hits the wall, and because the wall is rigid, the wave reflects. The reflected wave travels back along the same path at exactly the same speed. Both legs of the journey take equal time, t/2 each. Now let's plug in numbers. Stand 100 meters from the wall. You hear the echo after about 0.58 seconds. Speed equals 2 times 100 divided by 0.58. That's 344 meters per second. The accepted value is 343 meters per second. That's less than 0.3% error from a stopwatch and a wall. The elegance here is that you doubled the measurable distance without moving. One clap, one echo, one timer. The formula V equals 2 days over t is kinematics at its purest. And it works. Galileo tried measuring light speed with lanterns on hills. This is the acoustic version, and it actually succeeds.